Currently, we are trying to prove the fault feature of the StarApple smart dimmer. So we are running the incandescent light bulb, and we have an ammeter right over there, which currently reads at 0.409 amperes. So as you can see, the voltage of this one is 122 volts, and the current consumption is 0.410 amps. So this one right here, that's a 60 watt bulb, and right now we are sending 60% brightness for this light bulb. As you can see here, brightness is 60%. So the current reading right now on the microprocessor is 373, 374. And we had it tripped at 375. So if it's greater than 375, it's going to trip. Currently, right now, we still have the light, so it's not yet tripping. So we're gonna increase the brightness further so that it's gonna trip at a certain level of current. So let's take a look at the temperature first. So we're also measuring the temperature right here at 43. So let's go ahead and increase it to 70%. So right now it says 0.437 amps. Currently the reading of the microprocessor is at 374, 372. So we know it's gonna trip if the light turns off. Temperature is within still the range of 44.8, which is a pretty common temperature for a power electronic device such as StarApple smart dimmer. So our current meter is not yet triggering the fault because we're still at less than 375. Current is right now at 0.437. So let's bump it some more. Let's go to 80%. So right now it's 0.455 amps. Temperature is at 42, 40. So it is increasing Let's go ahead and bump 90%. That's about 0.464 amps. Temperature is still within the range, 43 for the, at least for the power electronics. So the range of the reading now is at 375, 374. We haven't got above the range yet that it will trip depending on if it's greater than what we have seen. So it would say ampere in there, but that's just only the reading. It's 464. Let's go ahead and increase it further. Oh, there you go. 376, it faulted. So we have it turned off now. So right there, 376. So when it faults, it turns off the light. And as you can see, the current is at 0.037, which is a 0% brightness. So it did trip the light. So let's take a look at the app and make sure you can see the. So in the TV area, I mean in the office, you see here, safety, dangerous, high current detected, device automatically went off. So that's when it would trip it. So it would say power monitor. So to reset this one, you just need to change the brightness, and it will reset it. So you see we now have a light. So now we have light because it was already reset. Since we don't have the threshold fault current. And then we're back to a lower value now for our amperes. Okay. So it was able to trip it at a certain level. And if we look at the update now for our office, so you see the safety is excellent. So that's it. StarApple was able to trip it with a safety for overcurrent.